Hello students, in our channel Maths in Mind we have discussed about class 10 of CABC board. Now chapter 15. In chapter 15 we have discussed already up to number 13 so far. So we can proceed today from number 14. We can start now. Number 14. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A man standing on the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degrees, which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, what happened? The angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degrees. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from the point. Now say this is the tower. Tower is AB. A is the position of the man who is standing on the top. He observes a car from A. Car is in the point C. Now from his place the angle of depression is 30 degree. The angle of depression the car is here. The angle of depression is 30 degree. After 6 seconds, from D to C it takes 6 seconds. Now the angle of depression is 60 degree. So let the height of the tower AB is H. This is H. CB is X. DC is Y. So the distance covered Y takes the time 6 seconds. Now angle of depression MAD, angle of depression MAD is equal to angle of elevation ADB is equal to 30 degree, and angle of depression MAC is equal to angle of elevation ACB is equal to 60 degree. So it is 30 degree and it is 60 degree. From D to C it takes 6 seconds. Now from right angle triangle ABC we can tell this is X and this is Y. Now we can take that CB by AB is equal to, means base by perpendicular is equal to cot 60 degree. Or CB means H and AB means X. CB means X and AB means H is equal to cot 60 1 by root 3, or X is equal to H by root 3. Now from right angle triangle ADB we can tell that dB by AB is equal to cot 30 degree, or dB means y plus x by h is equal to cot 30 means root 3, or we can put the value of x here, y plus h by root 3 by h is equal to root 3, or y plus h by root 3 is equal to h root 3, or y is equal to h root 3 minus h by root 3, or y is equal to root 3 3h minus h, or h is equal to or y is equal to 2h by 3, or y is equal to 2h by root 3. Now this y distance is covered in 6 seconds. Y distance covered in 6 seconds, covered in 6 by y. So this is the simple unitary method. This has to be covered means x distance covered in 6x by y. Now we can put the value of y here, and also the value of x. X means h by root 3 and y means 2h by root 3. So from point C to point B means x distance, it will be covered in 3 seconds. Okay, this is the answer. Now we can proceed for the next problem. Now number 15. A tower stands vertically on a bank of canal. From a point on other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. From another point 20 meters away from this point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. Now we can draw this. This is the TV tower and this is the canal. Okay, so from there this is 60 degree, and 20 meters away from the canal, 20 meters away from the canal, this will be 30 degree. Okay, now PQ is the TV tower, MN, and this is X and this is H. Okay, let PQ is the TV tower, that is H, MQ is the width of the canal, that is X. Okay, now angle PMQ is equal to 60 degree, angle PNQ is equal to 30 degree, and NM, distance NM is equal to 20 meter. Now from right angle triangle PMQ we can tell that PQ by MQ is equal to tan 60 degree, or PQ means H by MQ means X is equal to root 3, or H is equal to X root 3. Okay. Same from right angle triangle PNQ. Okay, PQ by NQ is equal to tan 30 degree, or PQ means H and NQ means 20 meter plus X, 20 plus X is equal to tan 30 means 1 by root 3. Okay. Now we can put the value of H. It is X root 3 by 20 plus X is equal to 1 by root 3, or cross multiply 3x is equal to 20 plus x, or 3x minus x is equal to 20, or 2x is equal to 20, or x is equal to 20 by 2 means 10. This is the width of the camera. Now we put the value x here and get the value of h. What is h? H is equal to x root 3, that is x, the value of x is 10, means 10 root 3. Sorry, 10 root 3 meter. So the two answers are: height of the tower is 10 root 3 meter and the width of the canal is 10 meter. Okay. Now we can proceed for the next sum. Now number 16. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the top of a tower is 30 degree. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building, okay, is 60 degree. If the tower is 60 meter high, find the height of the building. Say this is the tower and this is the building. Okay, at first, top of the building from the foot of the tower. Top of the building from the foot of the tower, it is 30 degree, and top of the tower from the foot of the building, it is 60 degree. The height of the building is height of the tower is 60 meter. AB, CD. Okay. Let the different distance between D to B is x. Okay. Now let CD is the building, that is H, and AB is the tower, that is 60 meter high, and angle CBD is equal to 30 degree, angle ADB is equal to 60 degree. Let DB is equal to x. Now right angle triangle ADB, we can tell that DB by AB is equal to base by perpendicular means cot 60 degrees, cot 60 degrees, or DB means x and AB means 60 is equal to 1 by root. Okay. Now x is equal to 60 by root. From the same way we can get from right angle triangle CDB DB by CD. DB by CD means base by perpendicular means cot 30, or DB means H and CD DB means X and CD is H is equal to cot 30 means root 3, or we can put the value of X here, value of X is equal to 60 by 60 by root 3 by H is equal to root 3, or 60 by root 3 is equal to H root 3, or 60 is equal to 3H, or H is equal to 60 by 3, or H is equal to 20 meter. That is why they are asking for the height of the building. The height of the building is 20 meter. Okay. Now we can proceed for the next problem. Now number 17. The horizontal distance between two towers is 60 meters. The angle of depression of the top of the first tower when seen from the top of the second tower is 30 degree. If the height of the second tower is 90 meters, find the height of the first tower. So we can draw now. Height of the first tower is AB and height of the second tower is CD. Now from the top of the first tower to top of the second tower. Okay. Angle of depression. So it is E. Depression is 30 degree. Now we can join this. This is 30 degree. Angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation. Okay, it is F. BD is equal to 60 meter. So AR is equal to AF is equal to 60 meters, same, and CD is equal to 90 meter, the height of the second tower. So now let height of the first tower AB is H and the height of the tower is the height of the second tower. Okay, that is 90 meters. Distance between the two towers is equal to BD, that is 60 meter. Okay, now BD is equal to AF is equal to 60 meters, and let CF is equal to X. Okay, and angle of depression ECA is equal to angle of elevation CAF is equal to 30 degree. Now from right angle triangle ACF we can tell that CF by AF is equal to tan 30 degree, or CF means X by AF means 60 is equal to 1 by root 3, or X is equal to 60 by root 3. Okay, now X is equal to 60 by root 3. Put the value of root 3, that is 1.732. This is, if we divide that, we can get 64 meter. Okay, AB is equal to H, so AB is equal to FD. Okay, FD is equal to FCD minus CF. FD is equal to CD minus CF, CD minus CF. So now CD is 90 and CF is X, that is 34.64 meter. So the answer is 55.36 meter. So find the height of the first tower. The height of the first tower is AB, that is same as FD. The height of the first tower is 55.36. Today we have discussed about the 4 problems in this chapter. Okay, after that, from the next video we can continue this. Watch this, like, share and comment. Also comment. Okay, to get more videos, also subscribe. Okay, that's it. Thank you.